Good morning. Also, in last class, we have seen how to find the nth derivative of rational function. So, we have seen two types of problems where you have real roots and you take the partial fraction, and you have imaginary roots and you take the partial fraction. Now, we will look at examples where you have functions which are not rational, പക്ഷേ നമ്മൾ ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് എടുത്തു കഴിയുമ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് എടുത്തു കഴിയുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും റാഷണൽ ഫങ്ഷൻസ് ആയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് കിട്ടും. So, then for that we'll find the nth derivative once it is in the rational form. So let us look at an example. So find the nth derivative of y equal to x log x minus 1 by x plus 1. So we have y equal to x log x minus 1 by x plus 1. So that is equal to x log x minus 1 minus log x plus 1 value. So when we take y1, take the first derivative y1 will be x by x minus 1 plus log x minus 1 value minus x by x plus 1 minus log x plus 1. So when you take the second derivative y2, that is going to give us, so we will get x minus 1 whole square into x minus 1 minus x into 1 plus 1 by x minus 1 value minus x plus 1 whole square into x plus 1 minus x square minus 1 by x plus 1. So that is minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square plus 1 by x minus 1. Then here you will get minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square minus 1 by x plus 1. So that is the value of y2. ഇനി നമുക്ക് nth ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് ആണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. സോ ഹിയർ വി ഹാവ് ഗോട്ട് y2. അപ്പോൾ y2നെ നമ്മൾ n-2 ടൈംസ് ഡിഫറൻഷിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. So that will give us the value of yn. So differentiating n-2 times with respect to x. So we will get, first term is, so let us first take the derivative 1 by x minus 1 and minus 1 by x plus 1. Okay. So yn will be equal to, we have 1 by x minus 1, so 1 by x minus 1 in the നമ്മൾ n-2th derivative എടുക്കണം. So nth derivative is minus 1 raised to n factorial by x plus 1 raised to n plus 1 വരും. n-2th derivative, അപ്പോൾ minus 1 whole raised to n-2 factorial x plus 1 whole raised to n-2 plus 1 വരും. That will be n-1. So yn will be minus 1 whole raised to n-2 n-2 factorial x plus 1 whole raised to n-2 plus 1. That will be the n minus 2 derivative of 1 by x minus 1. ഇനി അടുത്തെടുക്കേണ്ട 1 by x plus 1 ന്റെ derivative. So minus is already there. So 1 by x plus 1 ന്റെ n minus 2 derivative എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് minus 1 whole raised to n minus 2. Again n minus 2 factorial by x minus 1 whole raised to n minus 2 plus 1. Then you have minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square. അപ്പം നമ്മുടെ ടേം ഇതാണ് minus 1 by x minus 1 whole raised to minus 2. Okay, so when you let me keep the minus sign aside. So when you take the first derivative of this, that will be minus 2 into x minus 1 whole raised to minus 3. അടുത്ത ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ 2 into 3 x minus 1 whole raised to minus 4 വരും. Then 4 factorial minus 4 factorial into x minus 1 raised to minus 5. Okay, അപ്പോൾ if you start with x minus 1 whole raised to minus 2, so then you take the derivative, so alternatively you will have positive and negative sign, so that will be minus 1 whole raised to n minus 2 varum. So minus 1 whole raised to n minus 2 will be there, and the power will be okay. So when you take y2 y2 2 ആണ്, y3 എത്തുമ്പോൾ പവർ 3 വരും. അപ്പോൾ yn എത്തുമ്പം പവർ n തന്നെ ആയിരിക്കും. So you will have x minus 1 whole raised to 1 by x minus 1 whole raised to n തന്നെ വരും പവർ. And then if y2 ആണെങ്കിൽ 1 factorial ആണ്, ഇവിടെ പവർ y3 വരുമ്പോൾ, അതായത് നമ്മൾ തേർഡ് ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് എടുക്കുമ്പോഴാണ് 3 വരുന്നത്. തേർഡ് ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ വരുന്നത് 2 factorial ആണ്. ഫോർത്ത് ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് വരുമ്പോൾ 3 factorial. So you will have n minus 1 factorial. So this is going to be the nth derivative of x minus 1, n minus 2 derivative of x minus 1 whole raised to minus 2. ഇനി അടുത്ത് x plus 1 whole raised to minus 2, അതിൻ്റെ ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് ഈ സെയിം തന്നെ. അപ്പം മൈനസ് ഓഫ് minus 1 raised to n minus 2 n minus 1 factorial x plus 1 whole raised to n. So that is the required nth derivative. So here there is a small correction. So this is x plus 1 and here you have x minus 1. Now we can further simplify this. So that will give us yn equal to minus 1 raised to n minus 2. We will have n minus 2 factorial by x minus 1 whole raised to n minus 1 minus n minus 2 factorial by x plus 1 whole raised to n minus 1 minus n minus 1 factorial by x minus 1 whole raised to n minus n minus 1 factorial by x plus 1 whole raised to n. So that is equal to minus 1 whole raised to n minus 2. So take the common denominator as x minus 1 whole raised to n. So ഈ രണ്ട് terms എടുക്കും. Okay. So you will get n minus 2 factorial is common. So x minus 1 minus n minus 1 വരും. Then minus again n minus 2 factorial. So take the common denominator as x plus 1 whole raised to n. So that will be x plus 1 plus n minus 1. So that will give minus 1 raised to n minus 2. So we will have n minus 2 factorial. So in the first term we will have, so 1 and minus 1 will cancel off. So x minus n by x minus 1 power n minus x plus n by x plus 1 raised to n. So that is the value of the nth derivative. Let us look at another problem. So find the nth derivative of y equal to tan inverse of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So when you take the first derivative, that will be 1 by 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 minus x whole square, and eighth term derivative varum, that is 1 minus x whole square into 1 minus x into 1 minus 1 plus x into minus 1 varum. So that is 1 minus x whole square by 1 minus x whole square plus 1 plus x whole square into 1 minus x plus 1 plus x by 1 minus x whole square. So 1 minus x whole square will cancel off. So that is equal to 2 by, ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് 1 minus x whole square plus 1 plus x whole square. So minus 2x and plus 2x will cancel off. So you will get 2 plus 2 x square varum. So that will be 1 by 1 plus x square. So y1 equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. So that can be put in the form a by x plus I plus b by x minus I. So you have 1 equal to a into x minus I plus b into x plus I. So put x equal to I. So that will give b equal to 1 by 2i, and then x is equal to minus I. We will get a equal to minus 1 by 2. So therefore y1 is minus 1 by 2i by x plus I plus 1 by 2i by x minus I. Now we need to find the nth derivative for നമുക്ക് n minus 1 times differentiate ചെയ്യണം. Okay. So therefore y, okay, let me write y1 once again. So y1 is minus 1 by 2i into 1 by x plus I plus 1 by 2i into 1 by x minus I. So differentiating n minus 1 times. So therefore yn will be minus 1 by 2i. So this will be minus 1 raised to n minus 1 n minus 1 factorial by x plus I whole raised to n varum, then 1 by 2i minus 1 raised to n minus 1 n minus 1 factorial by x minus I whole raised to n. So now let us simplify the value of yn. So put x equal to r cos theta and 1 equal to r sin theta. Be root of x square plus 1 and theta will be tan inverse of 1 by x. Now let us convert it in terms of real values.